Hi, this is Chinmayi and today on the channel I am reviewing the Chilava 1-inch volcanic lava ceramic pro spin and curl. I was really drawn to this because of this very sort of a petal shaped device, and let me take you right in.
Hi!
BB thickening ever.
Hi, this is Chinmayi.
The interesting thing about this is that it's dual voltage, so I have a feeling this might actually be, I can actually use this in India if I actually like it. And now it has preset temperatures for fine hair, medium hair and coarse hair, and for preset temperatures for fine hair it says 188 degrees Celsius, for medium hair 199 degrees Celsius, and for coarse hair 210 degrees Celsius. It also tells you that because this is very similar to the Infinity Conair Pro curling device that I really like using. It has the 1-inch barrel and the 1.25-inch barrel, but this has only the 1-inch barrel, and for 15 seconds for fine hair, 17 seconds for medium hair and 19 seconds for coarse hair. This has a 11 feet swivel cord, and in 1 hour it shuts off automatically. So just in case you tend to just switch it on and put it into the plug and forget about it, it switches off after 1 whole hour. That's actually pretty late, I think, by which time a lot of damage will be done. Okay, so I've switched it on and you'll see this display here, and it's set for fine hair. The interesting thing is that you need to be using it this way to your hair. So it has this alternative curling. So I think it's beeping now to say that it's ready to go. So you can spin it either to the left or to the right, whichever way is your left and right? So I'm just showing it to you from the direction that you would be seeing. So this is the on off button, and you can increase your temperature from this and here. So let me try to see how this goes. Okay, so this says that this side should be towards head. So I take it straight down, and then there's this left and right button. I'm going to be using this. There you go. That's a lovely curl. Okay, I guess I should have removed it only then, but that's nice. Look at this versus the GHD curler, and I kept struggling with this. One of the things that I do like is that I was right, this is international voltage. If you buy this in the US, you can use it anywhere in the world. So I should be able to use it in India. And there, it's done. Nice, pretty nice. This is very nice. Wow, I really do like this. I'm going to be going and completing the rest of my hair, and I'll come right back. As you can see, I have done one side of my hair completely, and I'm showing the rest of this side on camera. What I like best about this tool, and one of the reasons that I like this more than the Conair Infinity Pro, of course it does not give you the 1.25-inch curling option, but here was a company that thought about the fact that somebody who buys hair tools may also travel to countries which are not in 110 voltage zone, right? And people like me who travel across, I think we travel across voltage types, and there are several countries which are still in the 210, 220 space, not to mention my own country, my own home. And this is fantastic that they thought about this when they created this tool, and I love that about it. And however close you take this to your head, you can actually even rest it. I am actually resting this against my head and my neck, and it just feels warm. It doesn't feel like it's going to burn the scalp out of my hair. I do also realize that it seems to be a lot gentler on my hair vis-a-vis the Conair Infinity Pro. So I think in a short while I'll go with the hairspray. Alright, and that's that. What I will do now is generally brush out these curls, and I think I have left quite a bit of the hair at the back of my head. It's not been curled. I'm going to go back and curl these. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love this. I'm going to tell you how much I paid for this in the description box down below, because it's in the bill and I can't find the bill right now. So in a few minutes with this hair, I'm going to be changing, and I'm going to be taking you into how I'm going to be going and doing my makeup for my show here in New Jersey with completely new makeup products. So I'm looking forward to that video, and until I see you in my next one, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.